time to get over losses.
Since the beginning or right now?
No, always.
Always.
Yeah.
Why? You don't know how to lose. You can't lose.
I can't. I'm way too competitive. Not only in squash, even in like if I'm playing a board game with my friends or my family, if I lose, I won't be able to see their faces for the next few days.
What do you do when you're losing? Or when you lose?
When I lose, I cry. I mean, sometimes I remember from when I was a kid, even though I was happy, if I've played someone really good and I've lost, it's just been an instinct that I have to cry. Even though I've been happy, it's just been something that's been in it. But now, I mean, I've stopped doing that. It's too embarrassing now. But
Why is it embarrassing? It's good.
no,
Catharsis.
I need to be mature.
Who's putting these ideas in your head?
Myself.
Why? It's
No.
good to cry.
No, I know. I cry.
It's better. People will love you more. You will love yourself more.
No, I cry when I feel like it, but I don't force myself
Okay.
to it. But yeah, I mean, I'm a really bad loser. I take too long to get over it. And my coaches, I mean, they know because normally if you talk to a coach, they'd be like, you've done this wrong, you've done this wrong. But they know that if they talk to me about the bad things after I've lost, that it's going to make me feel worse. So now they've just started, consoling me rather than, actually talking about the match. So it's worked well.
So you cry.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
No. Unless I genuinely feel really bad about it, then yeah.
But you would cry after